Dear children, already we have learnt about the family and family members. The people who stay with us in our home are our immediate family, whereas people who stay separately are part of our extended family. In this lesson, we will learn about our extended family. Family. Family is the basic unit of society. The people with whom we live and who are very close to us in relationship are our immediate family. Parents, brothers, sisters, and sometimes grandparents make up an immediate family. Look at the picture of Aman's immediate family. Uncles, aunts, cousins, and nephews who stay separately are part of our extended family. Both maternal and paternal relatives are part of an extended family. Family gatherings. A family occupies a very important place in our society. The members of a family who do not stay together in one house meet on family functions such as marriages, birthdays, the birth of a child, a naming ceremony, festivals, etc. Ankita is very excited today. It is her grandparents' golden jubilee, celebration of marriage anniversary. All the relatives will get together in the evening. Special dinner will be prepared for the occasion. Ankita has bought a bouquet for her grandparents. Important decisions in the family. Ankita is a very talented girl. She has performed in many stage shows. She is a good singer and dancer too. Her dream is to work in Bollywood movies. One day, she told her grandmother about her wish. Her grandmother talked to her grandfather in the presence of her parents. At first, Ankita's father opposed her decision. But seeing her commitment towards music and acting, he said yes. Other members also gave their consent. Then her grandfather said, "Ankita, career is very unstable in Bollywood. Be strong, determined, and focused. Go ahead. God bless you." Ankita was very happy. This is how a big decision was taken in Ankita's family in the presence of all the family members. Family values. A family may be big or small. We must develop close bonds of love and respect with our family members and those who work for us. We can create sound family values by caring for each other, spending time with the family, having meals together, sharing the household work, going together for outings, sharing joys and sorrows together. Members of a family influence each other in many ways. Sometimes, some good things become the part of the culture of a family. Vibha's grandmother was a teacher in a school. Now she has retired from her job. In the afternoon, she gathers the children of neighborhood helpers and teaches them for 2 hours. She teaches them maths and English. She also teaches some handicrafts to students. Vibha's aunt, who lives in Kolkata, has started the same practice. In this way, values are being passed among the family members. Vibha is proud of her family. Write down the names of members of your extended family. Tick the correct option. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by immediate and extended family? Parents, brothers, sisters, and sometimes grandparents make up an immediate family. Uncles, aunts, cousins, and nephews who stay separately belong to our extended family. When do you meet the members of your extended family? We meet the members of extended family on family functions such as marriages, birthdays, the birth of a child, a naming ceremony, festivals, etc. Mention 2 ways in which you show respect to members of your family. We show respect to members of our family by exchanging greetings on special occasions and on festival days. We show respect to grandparents on Grandparents' Day and present them with flower bouquets and pay respects to them. What is a society made up of? Whose help do you take when you have to plant something? I take the help of my grandparents, my parents, uncles, and aunts when I have to plant something.
Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank.
Now answer the following.